this is Mommy Cherry from Tutikay Vlog. Let's learn again more Bisaya words. Bisaya words from our kitchen. Let's begin. Sweet potato. Kamote. Kamote. Aubergine or eggplant. Talong. Talong. Tomatoes. Tomatoes or tomato. Tomato, tomatoes. Kamatis. Kamatis. Spring onions. Sibuyas dahunan. Sibuyas dahunan. And last one, corn. Corn. Mais. Mais. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.